Benny and the Whispering Tree. One crisp autumn morning, Benny the bear stepped outside his cozy den. The forest was full of golden leaves, chilly breezes, and the smell of pine cones. He wrapped himself in his red scarf and smiled. "A perfect day for a walk," he said. As he wandered down a leafy path, Benny heard something strange. "Shh, Benny!" He looked around. No one there. "Over here!" the voice whispered again. Benny followed the sound, his ears twitching. Behind a big old oak tree, he found something amazing. A tree with a face carved into bark. A tree blinked. "Hello, Benny," it said warmly. Benny blinked back. "You can talk only to those who listen," said the Whispering Tree with a soft smile. "I have a message hidden in the forest and I need your help." Benny's eyes lit up. "A forest message? I love adventures." The Whispering Tree told him to follow the trail for a golden leaves shaped like stars. Benny tiptoed through fence hook over the logs and followed the glowing leaf stars. He found a squirrel holding a tiny scroll. "This is for you, Benny," said the squirrel, handing it over. Benny opened the scroll. It read, "You are brave, kind, and full of wonder. Never stop exploring." Benny smiled from ear to ear. When he returned to the tree, it whispered. The forest remembered those who care. Benny hugged the trunk and whispered back, "I always listen." Then he walked home, heart warm and full of magic forest.